Here's a quick tutorial showing how to use SliceX 4 to isolate a subject against a background using the Color Correct Shape Mask. Trim your clip to length and then apply the SliceX 4 Color Correct Shape Mask plugin. Click Open Editor. We now get a full screen editor that contains a workspace already set up with your source clip and a trackable blur effect with a temporary mask. To create the track, select one of the shape tools, the rounded rectangle tool in this case, and drag it out to include areas of contrast and detail which are needed for a solid track. We need to do this step as there are multiple overlapping moving objects. The tracking data will remain attached to the color correct layer even if we delete the track shape. Track forward and backward. We can now draw a new circle to highlight our subject. In this case, I want to darken the background to highlight our balloon, so we will click Invert Mask to apply the color correction to the area outside of our shape. Set the feather to 0 for a nice, sharp edge. Here are the settings that I used. Adjust to work best for your shot. And there you have it. SliceX 4 runs on both Intel and Apple Silicon systems. Check out the free SliceX 4 trial if you haven't already.